What's going on, guys? Back with another video. I just picked up this product here, Carlock. Just be mindful, guys, when you have these cars. Just always be on the lookout, be on your swivel, because people want these cars, so there's always be on the lookout. But with Carlock, that gives you a mind of ease. Give you real-time car tracking, and every minute, every second of the day give you an update, and also send you alerts for any suspicious behavior, send you alarms. So in today's video, we are installing Carlock on my Dodge Charger. It's my first time using it. It looks pretty simple, easy installation. So what you would do is simply plug it into your OBD port, then you're done. Some people hide it under the chair, their trunk, or any other place other than the OBD port. But if you want to do that, you will have to buy an extra OBD extender, which you can find on Amazon. But after you plug it in and set it up, Carlock will monitor whenever your car is started, the speed of your vehicle, and also the impact as far as bumps and someone breaking into it and things of that nature. So now I'm about to install Carlock, and I'll show you how it looks once it's open. So when you first open it, it will give you this activation code, which is your serial number, what you will install on that website right there. Then once you open the package, this will be the Carlock right here. Oh, it's kind of tight in there. There you go, Carlock. So for safety purposes of the video, I will not be showing you where I'm installing my Carlock device, but I will be dropping another part of the video, because as it says here, I'll need to go for a drive so I can get a valid GPS location of my area. So don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and I'll be back with part 2.